Let's fix this before your orchid gets worse. This is how most people kill their orchids. If your orchid looks sad but the soil is always wet, that's the problem. Hi everyone, welcome to JouleShare Orchid Rescue Secrets Series Part 2, where we save struggling orchid one tip at a time. Too much water is often the biggest killer of orchid because overwatering causes root rot, which is essentially the end of the line for your poor orchid. That's why it is so important to understand how to water your orchid correctly. When roots turn silvery gray and maybe a little wrinkled, it's time to water your orchids and not when the roots still green. There are different ways of watering orchids like sprinkling or misting them. Some use ice cubes, but soaking orchids is the best way. Simply soak your orchid pot in a container filled with rainwater if available and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. During the time, the roots gonna soak up as much water as they possibly can. After that time, simply lift the orchid pot, drain completely, and let it breathe. I didn't recommend sprinkling or misting them every few days because the roots on the bottom don't get to absorb the moisture and even the roots on top don't get to absorb that much. While ice cubes seems okay on the surface, but an orchid natural habitat, there's no cold weather and there's definitely no ice, and watering this way will actually damage the roots over a period of time. I hope this information helped and that you can keep happy orchids in your home reblooming for years to come. Orchid Rescue Secrets: save your plant before it's too late. And don't forget to hit subscribe and I'll see you in part 3, how to regrow damaged roots. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and God bless.